Make money online. On the phone, computer, or tablet, get paid wherever you are without investment. How can you earn money from home? In this video, I will teach you how to make money easily at home. Turn your time into profit. Benefits: the flexible solution. Paid work is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. Collect profits. By following simple instructions, in just a month you can earn up to $150 USD without any additional taxes or charges. Everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn money: by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. How can paid work help you? See how having an additional income can make your life easier. Increase your earnings. Wherever you are, on the bus, at work, at school. Start making money today. What is online working? Free online work needs the online, a PC, and your own victimization time effectively. AAM Earning may be a website wherever you'll earn free by finishing tasks. During this task, you will classify ads, share links, add referrals, etc. Advertising is the key to the success of any company. At the AAM Earning website, we are able to support advertisements and convey the message of the required company. This can be the corporate that provides online earning free for a personal. Today's state is gift every place. Now first you registered yourself here to start you earning by following the step 2. Sign up. Create an account on the chosen platform. Make sure to use accurate information. Making money online by viewing ads is a common way people try to earn extra income, but it's important to note that the potential earnings are typically quite low, and many such opportunities may turn out to be scams. If you're interested in pursuing this avenue, here's a detailed guide on how it typically works and some considerations to keep in mind. Cash is incredibly necessary for this new era as a result of individuals need more money in their overtime. Free online earning cash was a dream for individuals. However, AAM Earning solves this drawback, provides a platform wherever you will watch ads. Earning is that the high free online earning website that provides you additional cash. It provides benefits of functioning on the AIM Earning app. You'll earn a small amount of money for each ad you view. Earnings accumulate in your account balance on the platform. One amongst the advantages of functioning on the online. While not the requirement to drive and get breakfast or lunch, you'll need to line aside money. This has prompted distended work creation across the world, with the ascent of locales for freelance work being on the ascent at the break of every sunrise. Besides, many associations that area unit online-based operating allow their representatives. Many employees, except if they need gatherings, will not ever seem at their workplace. The probabilities that the online provides from messages and forming applications, work, or wherever one is agreeable have distended in varied regions of the earth. You can always earn money on paid work. Do not waste precious time on browsing Facebook or other social media. All you need is a mobile device and access to the internet. By following simple instructions, in just a month you can earn up to $150 USD without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit of your earnings. You decide how much you earn. Having the choice to figure online without charge earning implies that you simply will prevent from the traffic hurry to and from work. Not stressing over obtaining the train or transport provides. Most platforms have a minimum withdrawal threshold. Once you reach it, you can request a payout. Making money online by viewing ads can provide a small stream of income, but it's not a sustainable or lucrative option for most people. Always prioritize your online safety, and don't expect this method to replace a traditional job or other more reliable online income sources.